Hello! Today we continue with state machine and we will concentrate on prepare part of our operating modes. What we will put inside prepare is going to be power the drive, home the drive, additionally execute move absolute to 0, that we have really 0 position. Because if you remember, after homing it's not really 0 position. And when this is done, we will add additional boolean variable which will say okay, preparation is done, and we will go back to op mode. Now before we begin, our drives are already set to do complete homing to index pulse. However, our master axes were never programmed and we never added homing and move absolute function blocks. So this is the first thing that we will going to do. We will create the instances and we will call them in our logic part, which is executing motion FB's action. After that, we will create state machine in our prepare. We will add additional button, which is going to be inside CNC visualization to execute complete sequence, and then we will see how this works. Now first, let's create an instance and call it in the logic. Okay, we added our function blocks for homing and move absolute for master. Now is the time to go to our PLC program. Let's close this. And to go to prepare, we double click, we will create a new program, prepare active. It's going to be in structure text. Now before we begin, let's here add also a folder. We will say prepare programs, and we will add here our prepare active. Let's add additional action and we will call this prepare CNC, and now inside prepare we will call this action. We can close. And now in our prepare CNC, we have to build a state machine with steps that we mentioned. So let's create everything and then we will comment. Okay, so we created our state machine where we first enable our drives in fact, then we home. Then when homing is finished, we move absolute to 0. And then when move absolute is done, we set that our preparation of CNC is done. We put 0 inside our state machine of preparation, and we flag also this boolean back to false, that inside our PLC program here we can go back to operating mode and then wait. Next thing what we need to do is go to our CNC visualization and prepare button, which will then start complete preparation. Let's do this. And we can log in. Run. Let's go to our PLC program and CNC we will put aside here. We'll just need our prepare button. When we hit prepare, the drives will run, home, additionally execute move absolute to 0, and then we'll go back to op mode. Let's check if this is working. So as you can see, one axis is moving, second axis is already done with homing. And as you can see, homing is done. Both axes should be at 0 position, and we have our flag. Just check our axis in multi-axis control. As we can see, our axes are in 0 position. Today's video is showing how to properly use again the state machine to organize your code. In next video we continue with state machine. We will focus on automatic mode and executing CNC. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.